Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing, it was an unboxing, but the boxes that these two items came in were damaged from the rain, so I don't have the boxes, kind of similar to like my YSL bag. They came on the same day. So let me get to showing you these bags. First one I'm going to show you is in this bag right here, you guys. This came just like this. This bag was sitting open and the Coach bag was thrown into the bag like this and came with this piece of paper inside here. I'm not really sure what this is. I have to say this came from Neiman Marcus and the presentation on this is trash, you guys. I think the price of this was like $3.95 and they could have done a lot better with how they sent this. And so I'm already disappointed alone in just how this looks. So let me take it out. The dust bag isn't even like pulled closed or anything. It's just hanging off. And the bag is just sitting here just like this. Just careless. Just someone got the bag and didn't like the bag and just threw it back in the box or whatever. However they returned it. The chain is all knotted up. Presentation is everything, and this is why I try to always buy my Coach items from Coach, and I don't usually buy them from like stores like Macy's. Like I'll buy like card holders and little accessories from other stores, but I normally would not buy a purse. But this color is the one that I wanted. This is the Petunia color, and this is the Coach Madison. I'm just checking over to make sure that there's no damage or wear and tear to this bag. Inside of the bag, nice size bag. It will fit my essentials. Has this gold chain on it. Loving the color. I think the color is coming across more true kind of to what I wanted for the bag. The color is very stunning, this Petunia, and I see now why people were saying that this kind of reminds them of the Pillow Tabby bag. It's like that, but with not as much poof, but I think this is still like the Pillow Tabby. Okay, I love this chain detailing on here, you guys. This is very much reminiscent of like the Chanel bags. So I see now you can wear it on the outside part. I would actually wear mine like this because it just gives a little bit wider opening for the chain. So I would actually wear it like this. I am going to try this bag on and put a couple of items in here to kind of show you like what fits. I love that it has like a back pocket here. So I can easily probably put my phone in there. And on the inside, this pocket is a zippered pocket. And I love the dark brown. Yeah, I shared before the Coach has really kind of gone with the dark brown this year. The zipper, nice and smooth. And then on the front, there are two pockets right there. So really quickly, let me do a little trying on and kind of show you what fits in this bag. So this is the bag up close, you guys. Up close and personal. Just open her up. Quick shot of the inside. She feels really light with nothing in her. Let me try her on. Really nice size in terms of where it hits me. I actually love right where it hits me. So this would be really ideal. Really quickly, I'll show you this bag with the YSL bag. Now, I think you can better get a look or a feel of the color of the YSL bag. And you see, I think this color is actually coming across true to shade on camera. And now you can see that this YSL bag has like a darker hue to it, like a raspberry color. Raspberry, I wouldn't even call it fuchsia because I feel like it's still too dark to be fuchsia. But I think that YSL does have this listed as fuchsia on their website, but it's more like raspberry to me. But There you go. Okay, so we're gonna do like a little what fits. So here's my phone. I'm gonna stick my phone in that back pocket and see if that fits. And that doesn't fit. I think it's because my case is so bulky. But it doesn't fit back there. But let's go ahead and put it on the inside. So from the looks of it, my phone does take up a lot of space in there. But we'll keep packing it. Okay, here's my card holder. And you don't need a card holder again because there are slots in here for cards. So you ideally wouldn't need a card holder, but I know some of us are, it's hard to let go of a card holder when we're so used to carrying them, but there you go. Card holder. Compact mirror. Not everybody carries these. I don't usually always carry a compact mirror, but in case you want one. Have my lip gloss, lipstick, and a perfume. And I would just normally just set these right on top, you guys, because I'm always frequently grabbing these. And sorry about my hands being in the way. I'm trying to keep those items from falling. And I would have a mask in here. I don't have a mask at my reach. I do, but I don't know where it's at. But there you are. Okay. And the bag doesn't have a lot of weight on it. I feel like it still feels very comfortable. Even with the items here in it, I still feel like that it still has a nice comfortable weight to it. It didn't get heavier. Alright you guys, so that is it for this Coach Madison bag in the petunia color. I will leave all the details on this bag in the description box, from like how much I paid, where I got it. I think from the processing time to when the order hit, it was about 7 days total. Alright, so that is she. Very pretty color. I still like this color, even though I'm not too happy about how the presentation was. And I do love how it feels. It feels really nice, guys. So I do see why the hype around this bag and why there are so many videos about this bag, because it's very nice. It's very pretty, and I absolutely love this chain. I could definitely see myself wearing this as like a shoulder bag. So if I had to pick one, honestly, I would pick this over the YSL bag. Alright? And I think that's my little person. You want to come say hi? Come on, say hi. Come on. Come on, say hi to everybody. Don't be shy. Come on, you want to get on my lap and say hi? Like my purse? Isn't that pretty? They can't see you.
I do have a purse
Here, come on, say hi.
Mommy, I want to show them something.
You want to show them? What do you want to show them, baby?
Well, I gotta go get it. It's in my room.
Okay, you go get your purse, and then we'll do a video on your purse, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, go get your purse. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about this bag, again, leave it down below. Please subscribe. Thank you to my wonderful subscribers who are already subscribed. Welcome to my new subscribers, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.